Hi everyone. First of all, we are in pretty much April in a few days and it is cold. It's cold. It's really cold. It's snowing outside and I don't know when we're going to see some spring weather. Please, Canada, just get it together. We're in spring. So anyways, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can switch from ChatGPT to Claude in a very easy way without losing all your information. Because I do understand that a lot of people are skeptical from switching platform just because you worked really hard for such a long time on ChatGPT and all your data is in there, all the work you've done with it is in there. So the memory is full of very useful information for whatever work you're doing with your AI platform. But you know that Claude is better. I mean, that's another video, but if you want to switch from ChatGPT to Claude, that's the topic of this video. Like on another video, maybe we'll talk about why you have to switch from ChatGPT to Claude, but that's not the video here. So I'm going to show you how you can transfer all your data from ChatGPT to Claude. So if you want to change, it's not going to be an issue for you. Let's go. So the fastest way and easiest way for everyone will be to go. So if you go to your Claude right here, you go at the bottom left and you want to go to settings. Once you're in settings, you will go to capabilities, and here you have import memory from other AI providers. You will click on start to import. You will copy the text here it provides you. You will go to chat, simply just paste that text and just hit the submit button, and then it's gonna provide you all the information, and then you can just paste it over here and add to memory. So that's one of the methods. So now for method number 2 that you can do as well, you can go to your ChatGPT again right here at the bottom. You will go to settings, and here you will go to data controls, and from here you will go to export data right here. And then your account details and chat will be included in the export. You confirm export, it's going to prompt a notification on your phone normally, and you just need to confirm. You click OK. This will email you downloadable zip folder. You can extract it, and then you can upload the files into Claude right here. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope it was useful. If it was useful, as usual, don't forget to give me some thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Again, free. It's gonna help me. It's not gonna do anything bad for you. So yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And I'll see you on the next video for new ways to make money online with social media, YouTube. How to make money online, maybe with the futures markets, trading the futures. That's something I'm doing. I really want to prepare some videos for that to show you what I'm doing and how you can start as well. But I'm still looking at how I can create good content, because there are so many content out there already. So anyways, hope this was useful, and I'll see you on the next video. See you guys. Hi everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can transition from Claude. No, not at all.